Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to explain in detail about idioms as per the syllabus prescribed in your foundation course of Skill Pro 1. This will not only enable you to get through your examinations but also helps you to face any competitive examinations. So, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Now let us see how this video is useful for you. Those who are studying under SV University in second semester, they will get 3 questions from these idioms. So if you master these idioms well, it will be scoring for you in your degree public examinations. Not only that, it helps in improving your vocabulary. Apart from that, it enables you to face various competitive examinations like PG Set, SSC, bank exams. In order to proceed further, we should know what an idiom is. An idiom is an expression which gives different meaning apart from the words contained in it. For example, he kicked his bucket. Here, if we took the actual meaning of the word, it says that he hit the bucket, which is not par with the idiom's meaning. Here, kick the bucket denotes that he passed away or died. Now we will discuss a few idioms with their meanings and examples. The first among them is apple of one eye. The meaning of this idiom is one who is very dear among the rest. That means one who is likable or lovable more than others. The example for this idiom is Rama is the apple of Dasaratha's eyes. That means among the 4 sons of Dasaratha, Dasaratha loved Rama when compared to his 4 sons. The next example quoted here is mother is the apple of son's eye. That means sons love their mother more when compared to their father. The next idiom we are going to discuss is apple of discord. The meaning of this idiom, apple of discord, is cause for quarrel or reason for quarrel. This apple of discord may be between the individuals or maybe between the nations. The example quoted here is Kashmir is the apple of discord between India and Pakistan. That means because of Kashmir, India and Pakistan were quarreling, or Kashmir is the cause to quarrel between India and Pakistan. So in the given picture, the cause for quarrel is the husband's laziness. The next idiom is at arm's length. The meaning of this idiom, at arm's length, means be at safe distance or stay away from others who are capable of harming us. The example for this is keep your wicked friends at arm's distance. That means you should be away from the friends who are capable of harming you or who are having evil thoughts. The next idiom is at once beck and call. The meaning of this idiom, at once beck and call, is ready to obey, ready to do, or 24/7 at your service. The example for this idiom, at once beck and call, is Hanuman was at Rama's beck and call. That means Hanuman was ready to obey Rama's orders, or he was 24/7 at Rama's service. The next example here is nurse is at the beck and call to her patients. That means 24/7 she is ready to obey her patients. The next idiom we are going to discuss is at one's fingertips. The meaning of this idiom, at one's fingertips, is ready to answer or ready to give facts. The example for this idiom, at one's fingertip, is all the math formulas should be at your fingertips. That means, according to this, whenever the teacher asks, he should be ready to answer. The other example for this is English grammar is at his fingertips. That means he is good at English grammar. Our next idiom is bad blood. The meaning of this idiom, bad blood, is enemy. If I wanted to quote someone as my enemy, I can use this expression bad blood. The example for this is he is my bad blood. So here I am stating him as my enemy. The another example for this is they are trying to create bad blood between me and my brother. Here they are trying to showcase me as an enemy to my brother. The next idiom we are discussing is bed of roses. The meaning of this idiom, bed of roses, is comfortable or which is easily available. So the example for this is life is not a bed of roses. As you all know, life is not so easy as we have to face so many hurdles, obstacles and ups and downs. Our next idiom is a black sheep. The meaning of this idiom, a black sheep, is useless or unworthy. The example for this idiom, black sheep, is I don't want a black sheep in this class. So unworthy fellows will spoil the class. That's why the teachers don't want their students to be unworthy or useless. Our next idiom is body and soul. The meaning of this idiom, body and soul, is completely or entirely or wholeheartedly. The example for this is you should do your work with body and soul. Whatever the work you are doing, it should be done with your whole heart. The other example for this is Florence Nightingale served the patients with her body and soul. Means here the Florence Nightingale served the patients not for namesake but with her whole heart. Thank you friends for watching this video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Have a great day.